George, welcome to Thamesmen 2.
Thamesmen 2. Alex, how you doing?
I'm good, George. Thank you very much. How's LA?
Lovely, as ever. Bloody perfect. Yeah.
Do you want to tell everyone why we've gone and bricked ourselves up in this
in the basement?
In the basement of some house.
Okay. So, Thamesmen, main channel, like and subscribe, where we are going to dedicate absolutely to try and following up on more of our subscribers' choices.
Yeah.
Occasionally, we would make bad choices and choose our own music. And it was sort of distracting, I think. So we've got Thamesmen. Ooh.
That's exactly it. It was, we got mixed messages. We didn't, it's a reaction channel, our main channel. So we are reacting to suggestions, but that meant we couldn't put our own music in, right? And George and I, old friends, and we want to surprise each other with music, and we couldn't do that on that channel. And it was so. We logically have now, so that's what this channel is. So you're probably going to, the tracks aren't going to be so big. They're going to be all our choices, but you're probably going to hear stuff that you haven't heard before, and it's going to be interesting, hopefully, for you as well. So, make sure if you found this channel, as George said, go and look up the Thamesmen. That's our main channel, right? This is the Thamesmen Part 2.
This is what did we call it? The hill of bad choices.
Yes.
Personified. And but we do, please comment, like and subscribe, please. And we will. You never know. We might take what do you call them? Suggestions. We might take suggestions.
Well, I'm going to kick this one off for our very first video on Thamesmen 2. It's a beta band. Now, I know if we put this out on our main channel, the numbers won't be big, right? They're not mainstream. They're kind of psychedelic, indie. They're, from the 1996. They're Scottish. You put that in a pie, it's going to be pretty disgusting. But they came out with Dry the Rain, and is an absolute hidden gem. It starts off slow, but the last 3.5 minutes of this track is absolutely up there. And I think it was some film, High Fidelity, whatever. He goes, if you ever want to sell a record, just put the last kind of 3.5 minutes of this on, because everyone comes and says, what is this? What is this? What is this? And this is that track. It's Dry the Rain. The last 3.5 minutes of this track is just superb.
Excellent. Well, I look forward to this. That'll be fun.
Excellent.
Right. Let's be self-indulgent. Let's
There's no video. It's just gonna go straight down the line with the studio version. So the beta band.
All right.
1996, Dry the Rain.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
You lined up? Okay, I'll see you on the flip side. 3, 2, 1, boom.
Of my life, lying in bed in the sunlight, choking on the vitamin tablets Doctor gave in the hope of saving me. In
Yeah.
That's really lovely.
What a
That's a
cork
good-
of a track.
That's
huh?
a good build, isn't it? Like just like
It's a triple build, right? Or as a quadruple build. It starts off and you're thinking, oh, you're there, right? Because it was on that folky bit, and then you think you're there because kind of the drums kicking, but then the bass kicks in, and what a bass sound! And then the harmonies, and they get I always love that track.
and it's a great one for headphones as well, because like you said, you hear all the layers to it and the subtleties of it, and the acoustic guitar, and it really works well in that way. It's like
And what I love about it also, it's obviously time code, and they got the the electronic drums, but it's analog, and there's bits that are kind of wrong and not right, and he's and it's just a glorious mix, of kind of psychedelic indie, but yet a little bit house,
Yeah, it was. Yeah. It was definitely a house thing. So was that, you said it was 1996?
Yeah, 96, I believe it was. They formed in 96.
Okay.
And they did 3 EPs in 97. And that's what it is. And I've listened to all their other stuff. This was the track,
Okay.
But
What happened to them then? Did they just disappear?
They imploded pretty much. They did. I think they did. The last one was 2002, and then that was that.
Really?
They only really did EPs and stuff, and they were good, and they got some. They got 96 to 2004, and they got good reviews. Obviously, they got the whole indie house cross along with Primal Scream and everything, and they were at the moment an Oasis, and Radiohead were praised them. They absolutely loved them, and they just shoop, and then they vanished.
Right. That's crazy, isn't it? So. Anyway, it's great that it exists, and thank you. I enjoyed that a lot. That was really okay. So in the world of playlists,
oh man,
what do you think this one is?
I would put this whenever I put this track on, if it's on the car or if it's a party or a barbecue, everyone takes note at the end. I think it's just like a barbecue.
I think it's barbecue, Sunday morning wind down kind of track.
Sunday morning wind down.
Sunday morning wind down. Yeah.
When me and my wife are in the car, Jess, we always end up singing to this. Because you can get different harmonies or whatever as well. All right, so road trip, barbecue, Sunday wine. I'm going to go with Sunday wind down, dude. It's Sunday morning wind down, just like, absolutely. I think that's a great track for it.
Excellent. Well, we'll have to create these playlists, and we'll have to drop these in and see what we come up with. So,
good.
Excellent. Good choice.
Well,
nice way to start our...
nice way to kick off our channel too. Make sure that if you've just found this channel, subscribe to it, of course, but also go over and check out the Thamesmen, because that's our main channel, and it's where we do the bigger stuff. So great. Fantastic.
Excellent. Well, we'll see you later.
All right.
Cheerio.